Alkaline. Big up to Alkaline.
Bigger.
Alkaline, you're doing something that I don't see anybody doing.
Talk about it.
Alkaline.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, non stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Fox, you know, yeah man, I'm come for talk facts. Yeah man, people. We see an interview go on with the brother with him. I think him run Ruff Cut. See, you know the bands and everything. And the brother talk something about Alkaline. And it's so interesting. You don't know the car them, aka nightly fix shit. You understand? Yeah man, cause you see them, you say for them alone people, enough of them artists are gonna get highlight on a certain level. You understand? Them have them favorites. Yeah man. So the brother talk something about Alkaline, but look at the brother shut him down. I mean if you try to show you, say you see them people here, a be fight them fight down artist thing. Especially when them did Alkaline thing. Suppose you hear the man people. And when me look me and say, yo, if a sound now go on, you know, whatever I now do, you know, brother, if you think now go grow, you know. You understand? And that's the thing. You see it? So me not rate with them people here. Because look here, enough people out there will know the music and see what go on. And I say, yo, you see that youth out named Alkaline? You might do it. You understand? But you see, I seen to them do Bob Marley, you know. You see, when Bob Marley go out in the world go do it at them time, them accept him, you know. You understand? I saw them did, I saw the industry did it, but people, I go play the video for you, listen to you. The brother, you understand? Yeah, man.
They were trial runs, you know. They don't want to send peace because we're not showing them that we can function. We're not a cash cow for them, you know. You want to say it here?
Yeah.
So, unless we have...
Alright, this is the thing, you know, people. You must say the international market, them not really serious now. Cash flow genre, I understand because, okay, remember I said dancehall come from a small like island, you know. You understand? And then it spread through in the diaspora, through the people, them, and then people introduce other people to the genre and certain little things. You understand? I remember I said Jamaica is not a rich country. You understand? And we kind of lack of certain things and get access to certain things, we can't really get it. Because you see me, the money not really dead it. You understand? And you have some people that reach the IQ, they can do certain things. You understand? So, we, and remember say our language, and a part was is like, it not gonna really connect to enough of them people, like some of the Spanish, them, and you see me, uncle who like have that friend, diaspora friend or so, make them understand the language, or when them come to Jamaica and hear the music, yeah, I saw them connect. So, it's like, it harder if our music kind of reach certain place. Yeah, you see it, but this is what I say.
Your massacres, your popcorn, yeah,
Remember, you know, people, him just say massacre and popcorn. But he listen after this, you know, want to listen keenly.
Alkaline, big up to Alkaline.
Bigger.
Alkaline, you're doing something that I don't see anybody doing.
Talk about it.
People, you see what the brother say? People don't realize what go on in a dance hall, you know. Them just say Alkaline and do something, you know, but through the hate and treat no bow down to this man, and it maybe not to go around certain people and think them try to hide them glory. But look here, you see in a due time, you not gonna realize the formula what the youth are gonna use to try open certain doors and come run about the place. You understand? Because what Alkaline do, you know, the effect no really it a grow, you know, but it a go too late for some artists. And them a go see Alkaline and do it and I say, yo, John, know this that youth did that try plan up for do. But listen what I say.
Alkaline, him hardly the interviews.
I think you should stick to that.
People, you see that youth when name NARO? May I tell you? You see that youth? You know why I can't rate him? He act like a sissy. The man, I say, him not really do interview. Hear what him go say. And I think that good for him. People, if you look on the table, you see street vibes. Not street vibes, straight vibes rum. What that tell us, these people pick them side and them have a platform, a talk about dancehall. And when Alkaline name bring up, them try to rebuttal. But let me tell you this, you have people in the industry like this and man where run Ruff Cut the bands. Him not in the politics, in the music, the man will come talk him opinion and talk the truth. Him now go listen what people are say. You understand? With people like NARO them, we bring down artists, especially Alkaline, because them sign themselves to cartel thing. look on the rum. Remember, you know, a straight vibe sponsor them thing, you know. So everything we have to come up with Alkaline, them try for rebuttal and try for build it to the youth thing. But the brother just I go fling with that and say, yo, easy yourself. Cause when I listen when nobody I say, me I talk about my opinion. That's why me I try to show you. Them people here, them not good for society. Rather than them uplift youth and hear what people are say and talk the truth and the reality we are going to dance all, them prefer yo, in them feelings because them a rip at one side. But listen what the brother say.
I think he's brilliant for doing that because there's always an anticipation, especially
People, hear when NARO go say after this now.
with the quality songs that he's put out. I cannot ever think of an Alkaline song that's not a brilliant song, whether I like it or not.
People, look here, you know, the man never say him is a vendetta fan, you know, but the brother talk with him opinion and the man a say, yo, Alkaline have quality music, the same music them with the youth a drop and them a say a flop and all of these things. Them no realize, say, look here, Alkaline 10 step ahead of uno. And this is the thing, you know, people, enough of them people will hate Alkaline music, you know. See, them rate the music, you know, but I just the hate just through the youth not take a side. Him take him own side. And that's the problem, because when you check it, everybody talk about the youth song when him drop it. Priority and key, man. Which dancehall artists you hear them a criticize and a talk about a song, so? None of them. So it shows, say, look here, them people here, them know the song is a good song, you know. But them take out something out of the song where we kind of put negativity towards it because of the hate. You understand? But this a brother here say, yo, no matter how if me not like it, it is still a quality song because I saw it go. And every song you go rate, but what? We are going to give it credit same way.
We're not talking about you have some song we not like, you know, brother.
Yeah.
But the body, you know. It work.
Yeah, I saw it go. We are human and we pick and choose. But the song bad same way. Because the more the song play in your ears, you know, sometimes it does connect after that. Or if a Shaggy song or the song where you don't like, I just saw music work. You understand?
In quality and standard hasn't dropped. And he was
You know, that's contrary to what whole heap of people would
I don't care,
say
bro.
when fall off and song.
Yo, people, you see, yo, me I tell it to raw thing. Here with the man that talk about quality music. Here the man say contrary where people are gonna say, brother, you know if you stop them thing in a dog. NARO, you have to stop it in a dog. When other artists come a talk about on your platform, you know you talk, so you have to stop it. Remember, so you don't have a platform to, you know, bro. You understand? The brother tell you a thing you talk about. People will say him fall off and all of them look something there, bro. With that have to do with quality music or whatsoever, brother. Yeah, him will say him fall off, but a film song them will still talk about, brother. You not talk about no other artist song in a dancehall right now more than Alkaline. So it shows say, yo, you have bad mind and you just hate, dog. You understand? I just that with uno. You see what me I try to say? It just nah make no sense, brother. It nah make no sense. You see it? People in the industry. And that's why the genre are not reach away, right? Them is like a structure. These podcasts is and people who invite different people in the music or whatever things they do. You understand? Them carry them on them platform. Try to bring them down, focus on the negativity. So it's like people when don't know what genre or try get into the genre thing. When them watch them something, them a go see, them a only see things where them don't know. Or where them not necessary where them want to get for know. You understand? So them a come with drama, bring up one bag of the artist name, bring down artists, all of them something like that what them talk about. You understand? But you have people who come on them platform and tell them say, yo, no, I don't say it work. You understand? We see something and we're gonna talk about it and it unique and it different. And it's not a large some artists that do it. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
It's contrary to what whole heap of people would
I don't care,
say
bro.
when fall off and song them.
You hear what man say? The man say him no care. And that with Uno, nightly fix. Uno pick on the side, and that's why the music thing mash up. Because Uno as platform was supposed to enlighten and showcase artist talent. Uno pick on the side, and who the side wanna pick no deal with, Uno bring down. Hear the man saying don't care what people want to say. You understand? Uno listen to what people say too much, you bring down artists. And that's why on a platform after a while, the value drop. And then the platform flap. Because the thing them only supposed to have focus on for uplift on a channel or whatever thing you do. You not focus on that. You not mash up on the thing. You understand? Because you got fans out there when neutral and people will rate artists and not in a little politics thing. Because people pre-music. Uno no pre-music, and that's why music not go out there more like that. Uno pre-drama, controversy too much. Steer the people in away from the music and put it in a drama and kill the music. And that with Uno.
I don't know yet. Because they in a different place. Me talk about me about the functionality of the music. And me I say to you, say, the proof is in the shows that him do.
You see it? The proof is in the show that Alkaline do. Remember, say the Canadian promoter come out in a people and say, yo, them do 6 show with Alkaline and the whole life sold out. It's like, yo, no understand where I'm going with Alkaline and with, you know. You see the hate is like a virus in our brain. It come like pests. On the brain need pest control. You understand? On the function, on the IQ all about hate and realize, yo, you see what the youth here do? If every artist get themselves and them team and structure and do this, people that a genre would have more show, more places, get more crowd. But no, on the prefer bring down and all of them little thing and pick on a side or whatsoever. As a platform where invite a lot of people, a lot of industry people on the platform, on try to pick a side and try to bring down. And that's how it work, and everybody have the sheep brain like Uno.
Them Ram definitely has created a cult following. Which is what dancehall is. Kill have a cult following. Yeah. Cartel have a cult following.
People, me I tell you them. Yo, me I tell you them pussy as stay, me I tell you. You hear him a talk about cult and everything and the man shut him down. The man say, look your brother, every artist have cult fan base. That's how me I try to tell you. People want to listen what the youth are doing. Me tell you about them people and from day one me I show the people and say, look, you see them people here? Are them bad mind? You understand? Them fight out youths and people now realize. You understand? Them now realize what go on. You see it? You are going to talk about, yeah, him have cult fan base. Every artist have it. What the problem? Just because you want, you know what the problem, people? Him don't want the man talk nothing good about Alkaline without rebuttaling it and make a little negative towards it. Brother, we don't have to stop it. Because we don't see him one. After a while, remember you have a thing saying, the stone where the builder refuse become the head cornerstone. We don't go on with the same energy, you know. You understand? That's why Alkaline say pick on the side, because when the time come, when field movement is gonna be a magnificent movement and enough of uno, I go want a little piece and can't get it. You understand? But uno go on, man.
Yeah. They all call for it. But he can mobilize his in a heartbeat. New rules? Are the rules in him?
Yeah.
Sure, yeah.
No, even the interview I'm doing where the majority of people say fuck it.
Yeah.
It almost worked to mobilize and energize the fan base.
Yes.
This are the thing, you know. Bro, the man say the little interview mobilize the fan base and all of them because from there. Bro, Alkaline fan base been mobilized before interview, brother. Stop it. Remember what the man do at UK. Solo UK, 12,000 odd, brother. Him alone. You understand? It's like, bro, you not sleep on the brain, you know. You not sleep on the brain, brother. You notice everything what Alkaline do? It go viral like it talk for a couple days. You see people come out at that. You don't realize what going on. It's like it right front of eyes and not see it. When you not see other artists name a call and people are criticize and people are talk about it and all of them like something there. If Alkaline not do something for shake up the place, it's like no vibes not there, nobody now nothing for say and all of them like a thing there, you understand? But listen what I must say, people.
He knows what he's handpicking what
Well,
he's
artists are artists and yeah, me not busy want to say me I go to show and yeah, me I support him.
How many other acts are doing this?
People are fake, you know. Them boy are fakers, you know. I realize, look here, him can't corrupt the man no more. That's why you hear my talk, so. Yeah, man, him realize him can't corrupt Ruff Cut. Yeah, man. But listen what the brother you say.
The other acts are putting on them show. He might do what? 2, 3, 4, 5 show a year?
People want to listen what that boy NARO you say. May I tell you, listen what him say. After this, may I tell you so them youth are corrupt, you know. Listen.
Where him put on?
Where
And a clean up?
he has expanded internationally. He have to get bigger for that. Without that.
I'm saying.
Brother, Alkaline expand international with new rules long time, brother. You might keep it in New York, Florida, all of them little places, bro. Now make the thing look like the man I do it now. Not true to see UK and Canada, it been there US. But because you don't know rate the youth, you don't know what go on, you know. But you not try play and all of them little something. Yeah. I'm a rate out the brother. Nah, make them youth and make them podcasts have corrupt in brain. The man stand on him ground and talk the truth, and them type of people I want in the industry will talk the truth about the thing we're going on in the game.
Me good as no good, you know. Me gonna see how you pass me. But bro, hats off to what you're doing.
You see it? Enough of them people, yeah. Let me tell you this, people. If you don't water the flowers, it now go grow if you make your garden look good. You understand? People out there in the industry where we see Alkaline thing and give them flowers because look at the end of the day, one dancehall culture. But you see them people, yeah, like Nightly fix them. Them people they don't want to see the genre grow. And that's why them fight youths. We are the great moves. And here the brother come say, yo, you must see no bag of artists I do this. So as something different, something special. You understand? And them not realize what I go on. And it's not a one bag of man that do it. No one bag of man on stage and all of them little thing there. Him alone I carry him energy, so it shows that the youth thing powerful. You understand?
Yeah, that what you're doing is phenomenal. He is interfacing in the industry where it works. So looking from him, Popcorn, Massacre, Bonia, all of these people, want them to start to come over into the real music industry. Coming in.
People, and that are the thing, you know, them not realize what I go on, you know. Them see what Alkaline I do. See him call Popcorn name and every little thing. But the reason why I'm kind of bring out Alkaline thing, him realize that, yo, that youth do it by himself, you know. And him a keep being new rules all over the place, you know. Popcorn I do it, you know, but Popcorn thing not really spread all over the place like how Alkaline thing would have got different locations and so. You understand it? Popcorn one a Jamaica and UK. I just this so, but Alkaline the US, Canada, UK, Jamaica, you understand? Yeah, but we understand say yo with Popcorn thing, we understand the dream can't really go USA and things, so I understand with that. But I still move for the culture same way. But when you check it, a handful of artists do it. You understand? When we talk about own a show, own a brand, new rules and like how you have unruly. You understand? But them people don't understand what go on. It's like them still in the past. Alkaline in the future and say certain things. You understand?
But when you're working on social media music, I don't know work. And I'm
people, this is why Alkaline don't go on no Instagram live and all of them look something there. Because this music thing where you see people are put on live and internet thing, it's not really doing nothing. Yes, it carry a little swing today and tomorrow it flap. But when shows we keep, nobody now rock to no song, all of them look something there. You understand? Them media drama around them, all of them look something that now work with so much artists do it and flap out the next day. You understand? I know so the thing work. You see it? I know so it work, people.
And I don't know it work because I don't see the money at the end of the day. The money that you're seeing you make is a lie.
Yes, because enough of them artists are going like, so they might make a one bag of money and rare, and when you check it as some chicken money they might make. You understand? Because when an artist keep them own a show, you know, it's a different thing. You understand? Bigger money. You see it rather than them get bookings. When you keep your own a show, everything will go in your pocket, you know, a higher percentage. You understand?
It's a lie, it's a flat out lie. Them not make no money. And all this in my flash, we know where the money come from. We know.
And that's the thing, people. But this is the thing. We rate all the youth forward out and defend the Alkaline thing. And not even defend, but show these people say, look here. You see what the youth here do? We have to cherish it. Because it's a move for dancehall. You understand? And one normal thing for having brand out there. I do it because enough artists do it. A bookings them I get. And if they not get no bookings, them not show. You understand? But this our build fan base too. You understand? And them don't realize what I go on. Them prefer us we bring down Alkaline and all them look something here. But platform like these with NARO them, if we bring down Alkaline thing, them don't realize the people out there where you can't program, you can't tell them what they say. Them no business where nobody want to say. Because what? Them love the music, them no love man. Enough of these people in the industry pick them side that love man mentality and bowing and all of them look something. And that's why Alkaline powerful today. Because you no bow to none of you. You understand? And that's why I'm even read the artist too. Because I saw me stay. I keep myself to myself. When I not bowing to nobody and all of them look something there. Yes, people, enough of them platform, yeah. What you see? On stage, ER, to fix them, all of them platform, yeah. Me I tell you people. Them don't try to highlight the artists, them music, and whatever music them have out there. You understand? If the artist drop a music, then pick out the most negative part in the music. You understand? That's what them do, and then run with that. For try to mash up the thing and turn it into some drama thing and all of these things. When artists fall upon them platform, them talk about other artists. Focus on that. 80%. And then the 20% them left it for, oh, what music you have coming out, what album is next, what this, what that. So it's like, you watch all of the drama part, you get all boring when you have to listen to the music part. They not even start off with the music part, you know. Them start talk about drama and all of them, like something there. You understand? That's how them. That's why when Alkaline do the interview at BET in the UK, and through the people them not really a focus on music, them a focus on music alone. You understand? So them not focus on where I want a Jamaica drama and all of them, like something there. So them vex about that because Alkaline never call nobody name in the interview. You understand? These are what the people them want. That's why when Alkaline do the interview where they, them cuss and them ray. These people pre things for bring down, them not pre things for uplift. You understand? And that's why with genre no go out there more. Because why? Them take them favorites, them highlight who them want for go out there. But them not highlight the whole nation of the artists. Them highlight one artist. But the other rest, them not highlight and not realize that, bro, when you not highlight one man, you not go crush the music like that. Because one artist cannot market one genre. You need a team, you need a group for do that, brother. In every little thing, you need a group. One man cannot do it. Seem like how you can't say one man can't build one house. You understand? One man can't run one company. You see it? It's like you don't realize what going on. You see it? You need a team for do that. So you don't highlight one man and feel like say, yeah man, yo look at dancehall this and that. You make a sad mistake. Because the media show a different thing from reality, you know. And that you don't realize, you know. You have other artists though where do it big, you know. But look here, them now highlight them something there. Because look here, them artists they know them friend and all of them look thing them can cheat and chat up with. Them artists they now bring in no drama, no rain and no dancehall and the controversy. No, them now highlight them the artists there. But them the artists they are do it big for the culture too. You understand? You see the bag of choosing thing rather than for you. Market dancehall or you understand showcase dancehall and stop showcase one set of people and all of them look something there. Everybody will do it, show everybody say everybody will do it. You can't show one people. And that's why I don't really rate this industry. And that's why over the years when you see it go certain way, if you check the African artists them, that's why the African artists them one at a time kind of do because we as people bring down artists and all of them, you could think they and pick favorite and put up only showcase that the artists them. African them support them all of them support all of them artists them enlight them and showcase them. But we are the only one who see bring down the same with the US them enlight them showcase every little thing. Outside is like some politics and some hold down thing, you understand? But people, when they don't know when media facts are talking, me talk facts, you know. You understand? And them not realize in a due time, them will say what I go on. You see it? And we are see it already. We are see it already. When you realize every time Alkaline drop music are the only music what them talk about for days. Go on to the rest of the artists, them a drop song. Them not care about that. So it show you the difference in the youth thing. You understand? Difference. Them not like, let me tell you, the dancehall space, them not like quality music. You understand? That's why them never accept Bob Marley back then. You understand? Because Bob Marley now come to about no going on this and no rare and no this and no rare. A quality music Bob deal with. So Alkaline and the quality music. You know, you them know, yo we flap. Yo this flap. Yo what kind of song this? Them want chaka chaka and freak and all of them music, nasty music. That's what them want. You understand? If a song drop, rather than focus on the 90% positivity, them focus on the 10% negativity. Yeah, and that's how the music not grow. But people not understand, you know. Big up on yourself and support you. Don't know media facts, you know. That is it.